Hi friends! Today I wanted to read you this extended version of the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And this one is written by Pippa Goodhart and illustrated by Stephen Lambert. Let's see what other verses they have added to this familiar song. Row, row, row your boat. Good reading. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We know that part, right? Let's see what's next. Hoist, hoist, hoist your sail, we're setting out to sea. We're sailing to an island, Georgie, you and me. Leap, leap, leap ashore, jump onto the land. We're taking off our shoes and socks to feel the nice hot sand. Thump, bump, humpity bump, who's that on the track? A great big friendly elephant, let's climb up on his back. Now they're going to travel by elephant. Flap, flap, fluttering wings, birds fly all around. Hold on to the elephant's ears, we're far above the ground. Slip, slip, slip and slide down the elephant's nose to see the snakes and spiders that live around his toes. Up, jump, hurry along, clambering through the plants. I can see the monkeys, let's join them in their dance. Are they going to travel like monkeys now? Swing from arms, swing from tails, swooping through the trees, shaking all the flowers down and making Georgie sneeze. Achoo! Push, poke, tug, and pull, the monkeys like to tease. They pull the tail of something big that's hiding in the trees. Ooh, what do you think that tail is attached to? Let's find out. Grr, grr, what's that noise? Ooh, it's a lion's roar. Quick, he's chasing after us. Let's race back to the shore. Ooh, they're gonna get going. They don't want to stick around and see what that lion does. Run, run, find the boat and push it out to sea before the lion catches us and has us for his tea. Oh my, they're hurrying. Ah, they made it. Row, row, row your boat gently up the stream. Merrily, 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 was it just a dream? The end. What do you think, friends? Do you think that was a dream or a real adventure? I don't know. But today, I want you to think about all the imaginative ways that you might be able to travel. Happy reading, my friends, and happy imagining. Bye!